edzinoinawo dzichiverengwa natinolava mabhebhi chokukudza. Mukuru wemadhokotera eMasvingo General Hospital Maternity Ward azivisa nyika kuti agamuchira fresh case yeEbola virus nhasi mangwanani. Chiitiko ichi chakatyamadza vazhinji kusanganisira veWorld Health Organization sezvo Zimbabwe isati yamboita denda iri. Tinzovizere kubva kumukuru wemapurisa sezvo nyika yakutarisira kuita imwe lockdown. At this particular juncture, I would like to inform the public that indeed Ebola virus now exists in Masvingo since yesterday night. However, according to the victims, Ebola virus was sexually transmitted on the 31st of October last year, only to exist in the country today.
Officer. Sexually transmitted Ebola virus.
Affirmative. This is a normal phenomenon, Naika. And I see no reason to panic at all.
New doctor pano.
When I say sexually transmitted, no zivas or no. Ebola virus Masiwa is the name of a bouncing baby boy who was conceived yesterday night by one Stella Masiwa. Am I wrong in saying that Ebola was sexually transmitted?